Lok Sabha witnessed a fierce showdown over caste census yesterday. The opposition's demand for caste census, spearheaded by leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, took a personal turn after former Union Minister Anurag Thakur said those who don't know their caste are calling for caste count. Even though Thakur didn't name anyone, the INDI block saw the remarks as directed against Rahul Gandhi and hit back. Rahul Gandhi too responded to Thakur's remark and asserted that no matter how many abuses are hurled at him, he will continue to fight for caste census and will ensure that it happens. SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav also came out in support of Rahul Gandhi and asked how could the Union Minister bring up anyone's caste. Take a look at the sequence.
जिसकी जात का पता नहीं वो गन्ना की बात करता है। जिसकी जात का पता नहीं वो गन्ना की बात करता है।
अनुराग ठाकुर जी ने मुझ पर गाली दी है। अनुराग ठाकुर जी ने मुझे इंसल्ट किया है, मगर मैं अनुराग ठाकुर जी से कोई माफी नहीं चाहता हूं। मुझे कोई माफी की जरूरत नहीं है। आदिवासियों की, पिछड़ों की बात उठाता है, जो भी उनके लिए लड़ता है उसको गाली खाना ही पड़ता है। और मैं ये सब गालियां खुशी से खाऊंगा। जाति जनगणना हम करा के दिखाएंगे। खत्म। आपको जितनी गाली देनी है आप दीजिए, हम खुशी से लेंगे। धन्यवाद।
गौरव, धन्यवाद।
इनसे ये पूछना चाहता हूं, आपने जाति कैसे पूछ ली, ये बताइए बस। आप जाति कैसे पूछ सकते हैं? आप बताएं, जाति कैसे पूछ सकते हैं? आप पूछ के दिखाओ जाति तुम। आप जाति कैसे पूछोगे? तुम कैसे पूछोगे जाति?
After Rahul Gandhi made the fresh caste census pitch, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge also threw his weight behind the demand. In a social media post, he alleged that RSS BJP are conspiring to hide the numbers of Dalits, tribals and OBCs because they want to continue 5,000-year-old social exploitation. Calling caste census the need of the hour, Kharge asserted that Congress party is ready to listen to casteist abuses but will be determined to ensure caste census happens. BJP meanwhile asked why the Congress party is not conducting caste census in states ruled by the party first.
ये मानसिकता सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी की ही हो सकती है कि एक ऐसे आदमी के लिए इस तरह के अपशब्दों का इस्तेमाल करें जो एक शहीद परिवार का बेटा है। उनसे ये पूछा जाए कि आपकी तो जात का ही पता नहीं है। हम बताते हैं राहुल गांधी की जात क्या है। राहुल गांधी के पिता का नाम है शहीद और राहुल गांधी की जात है, इस परिवार की जाति है शहादत। ये अनुराग ठाकुर को, राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ को और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को कभी समझ में नहीं आ सकता।
फिर मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, काहे भाषण दे रहे हैं भाई सदन में, जहां आपकी सरकार एक करिए, हिमाचल में करिए, तेलंगाना में करिए, पंजाब में करिए, बंगाल में करिए, क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? और कर्नाटक में तो किया हुआ रखा है, जातिगत सर्वे किया हुआ रखा, ओपन क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि आपके डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर ने धमकी दे रखी है, अगर जारी करने की कोशिश की तो अंजाम क्या होगा। इसे कहते हैं खुद मियां फजीहत और दूसरों को नसीहत।
So while BJP is reminding Congress that there are states ruled by Congress where caste census already has happened, why don't you implement that? And the states where it has not happened, why don't you initiate that? BJP's ally and Union Minister Anupriya Patel has batted for caste census. She said caste count was important so that government programs can reach the most deprived sections of the society.
Are you in favor of caste census?
I am. My party stands for caste census because we believe Indian society is very diverse. For generations, thousands of different caste and communities have lived in this country. It is important that we have the authentic numbers of every caste and community. And for government programs and schemes to specifically reach the most deprived sections, it's important to know what is the composition of our society.
So while the INDI bloc took umbrage to Anurag Thakur's caste jibe, it is Rahul Gandhi himself who has repeatedly asked people about their caste during Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. And as recently as Monday, Rahul Gandhi in his speech on union budget made a mention of traditional halwa ceremony to point out that there were no Dalits, Adivasis and OBCs in the budget making team. Look at these reactions.
पोस्टर नहीं आने दूंगा सर। फोटो दिखाना गलत नहीं है सर। आपकी परमिशन लेके
परमिशन नहीं है आपको।
सर मैं ये फोटो दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ,
नियम के तहत
नहीं सर मैं समझाना चाह रहा हूँ।
नियम के तहत परमिशन नहीं है माननीय।
अच्छा सर मैं ये फोटो समझाना चाह रहा हूँ सर। इसमें ये जो बजट का जो हलवा है सर ये बट रहा है, और इस फोटो में सर मुझे एक ओबीसी अफसर नहीं दिख रहा, एक आदिवासी अफसर नहीं दिख रहा, एक दलित अफसर नहीं दिख रहा मुझे। देश का हलवा बट रहा है सर, और इसमें 73% का एक है ही नहीं सर। ये आप लोग हलवा खा रहे हो और बाकी देश को हलवा मिल ही नहीं रहा है। देश के एसेट्स में ओबीसी की कितनी हिस्सेदारी है, दलितों की कितनी हिस्सेदारी है, आदिवासियों की कितनी हिस्सेदारी है, देश के इंस्टीट्यूशंस में आदिवासी कितने, ओबीसी कितने, दलित कितने। मैं आपसे पूछ लेता हूं इस कमरे में दलित कितने हैं? देखिए ये मजा देखिए, इस कमरे में ओबीसी कितने हैं? हाथ उठा के दिखा दीजिए, देखिए मजा। नहीं वो आप कैमरामैन है भैया, आपकी बात नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं, इनकी बात कर रहा हूं। तो ये सवाल है, हिंदुस्तान के इंस्टीट्यूशंस में ओबीसी कितने, दलित कितने, आदिवासी कितने? मीडिया के आप, नाम क्या आपका? हाँ आप शिव प्रसाद जी हैं। आपके मालिक का क्या नाम है? आपके मालिक का क्या नाम है? क्या नाम है? नाम बताओ, नाम बताओ। ओए मारो मत यार, मारो मत उसको, मारना नहीं है, मारना नहीं है। नाम बताओ उसका। वो ओबीसी है? नहीं। वो दलित है? नहीं।
Let's go across to our guests. We're joined by Siddharth Yadav, BJP spokesperson. We have Mithun Vijay Kumar, political analyst, and Saif Khan, leader of the Congress. Thank you very much for joining us. Good morning to all of you. Saif Khan, Akhilesh Yadav asked, how can you ask about somebody's caste? जाति कैसे पूछ सकते हैं? Rahul Gandhi said कि मुझे insult किया गया. But time and again, Rahul Gandhi has been, randomly asking people about their caste. Is that not insulting to those individuals?
This is absolutely very important for caste census, which is required nowadays, and it is very much important for all part of India, and including all of the states. And I'm quite very surprised when I see the statements made by the Union Minister, asking him कि इसमें बता दे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में पन्ने कितने हैं. I mean, I seriously doubt about their intelligence and about the knowledge which Bharatiya Janata Party, their leaders and including their ministers have. 251 pages has original Constitution of India, and according to the size and the width of the Constitution books.
Saif Khan ji, since Rahul Gandhi has been asking everyone कि मीडिया में कितने दलित ओबीसी ट्राइबल्स हैं, since he's been asking कि कितने सारे बिजनेसमैन हैं जो दलित ओबीसी और ट्राइबल्स हैं, या कितने ब्यूरोक्रेट्स हैं, कितने नेता हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी का आंकड़ा क्यों नहीं देते वो कि कांग्रेस पार्टी में कितने हैं? कितनों को मौका राहुल गांधी ने दिया है?
नहीं, हम तो कह रहे हैं कि जो राहुल गांधी जी या इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस या इंडिया अलायंस जो है, ये पूरे देश में मौका होना चाहिए, पता चलना चाहिए कि कितनी अकाउंटेबिलिटी है लोगों में, कितने लोगों को जो है उनका अधिकार मिल रहा है या कितने लोगों को नहीं मिल रहा है. आर दे गेटिंग देयर कंप्लीट राइट्स? डू वी नो कि हम ये जानते हैं कि कितने से लोग जो हैं जो पूरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो चला रहे हैं, उनमें से कितनी जाति गणना, कितने कौन किस कैटेगरी में फॉल करता है? डोंट वी वुड लाइक टू नो.
So then since you are asking that, you'll be reminded of what happened in Karnataka, where the census has already happened and what is being done about that. But we have some breaking inputs coming in. I'll quickly come back to our guests. Face off over caste census explodes. Jairam Ramesh, in fact, has now attacked the center. This is a fresh jibe coming in. Jairam Ramesh says parliament discourse, I beg your pardon, has been brought to a new low. Ankit is getting us more details. Yes, Ankit.
So it started with Prime Minister Modi sharing Anurag Thakur's speech on social media. So the PM wrote, "This speech by my young and energetic colleague Anurag Thakur is a must hear, a perfect mix of facts and humor exposing the dirty politics of the India alliance." To that, Jairam Ramesh responds, "This speech that the non-biological PM calls must hear is highly abusive and unconstitutional tirade, and by sharing it he has encouraged a serious breach of parliamentary privilege." Former Union Minister Anurag Thakur brought parliamentary discourse to a new low by asking fellow MP and leader of opposition his caste identity. Upon protest from the opposition benches, the chair assured MP that the comments will be expunged. In a departure from all parliamentary norms, expunged comments are edited out of videos uploaded online. Sunset TV has uploaded the unedited speech and the non-biological PM has shared and praised it publicly. This is a new and shameful law in the annals of India's parliamentary history. It reflects the BJP, RSS and Mr. Modi's deep-rooted casteism. But the Parliamentary Affairs Minister is doubling down. He has shared the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's comment, and he says, I want to ask the Congress, how many SC, ST and OBCs are there in Rajiv Gandhi Foundation? How many SC, ST, OBCs are on the board of trustees at the Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust? So that is this controversy as it stands.
Right. So war of words continues. We have our guests on the broadcast, and let me go across to Siddharth Yadav. Siddharth Yadav, the allegation is that this is the deep-rooted casteism of the BJP that has been exposed, and what Anurag Thakur said is in fact now being backed by the entire party. Him asking Rahul Gandhi, or rather without taking names, saying कि जिसको अपनी जाति का नहीं पता, that person is talking about caste census is nothing but an insult to the entire community. How do you respond? That you're rattled and that's why you're reacting like that.
I'll just make 4 quick points. Number one, when Rahul Gandhi on all occasions and during the entire election campaign was asking the jati in the name of everybody who was coming across him, was that not an insult? When you were going around the country and asking every person's jati, every person's name, every person's caste, every person's surname, every person's employer's name, was that not an insult? If that was not an insult, how can this be an insult? Number two, Saif Khan on your show today was challenging the intelligence of the speakers in Lok Sabha, but he forgot to himself mention that the person that he's talking about is not a union minister, but a very energetic member of parliament of the Bharatiya Janata Party. You must correct your facts and then speak about other people's intelligence. Number three, when you speak about who has representation and how much representation is there of OBCs and Dalits, you made 2 chief ministers of this country, one in Telangana, one in Himachal Pradesh. Why are they not OBCs? Why are they not Dalits? You, the chief secretaries of Congress-run states, why are they not OBCs? Why are they not Dalits? You do not want to practice what you preach. How many people were there in Chidambaram's team who prepared the budget? How many OBCs and Dalits were there? None. When this is there. And number 4, had your ancestors and had your Dadiji not halted on the Mandal Commission's report for 10 years, from 1980 till 1990, the entire decade you did not do anything on the Mandal Commission's report, and that is why the OBC reservation services was brought in 94-95. If had it been brought earlier, today we
Okay, quick rebuttal. Saif Khan, quick rebuttal. Why don't you lead by example? Why don't you reveal the data of the caste census that was done in Karnataka, 1, and initiate caste census in the states ruled by you?
See, firstly, I would say not just Karnataka; it should be implemented in part of all of the part of the state, basically.
Oh, but you speak
in
about
India.
Karnataka.
Why
You
not?
have already done it there.
Simply, we'd like to know, like how many people. No, listen.
No, but then the caste census happened in Karnataka, right? So let people know what the caste. So then let people know what the caste census data is.
I'm sure that. See, firstly, let's set an example from the union itself. Why not? क्यों नहीं? We would like to know how many people are being a part of the organization who's running the entire country. कौन सी कास्ट से हैं? कितने हैं?
आप बच रहे हैं, आप अपने राज्य के सवालों से बच रहे हैं, while you want to know कि पूरे देश में क्या डेटा है. आप अपने राज्य में जहां हो चुका है कास्ट सेंसस, उसका डेटा आप रिवील नहीं करना चाहते. मिथुन विजय कुमार, what is really happening in the name of caste census? What is happening? Because एक second, Saif Khan, now let Mithun respond. Let Mithun respond. Please go ahead.
Look, Swati, I truly believe that, caste census must be done, but not in a haphazard manner that the Congress is demanding. And, in 2011, actually, socio-economic caste census was done. But then why didn't Congress release the data completely? It was not released. And till today, the OBC classification, can you please keep quiet? Let me finish. Till today, the OBC classification data, actually, the method, that dates back to pre-independence era, and so a lot of work has to go in the direction of data collection, analysis, methodology, the sampling process and all that. But Congress has conducted, like you said, Congress has conducted caste survey in Karnataka, Chhattisgarh. Why are they not releasing that data? And now there is an ideological clash between the Congress of today and the Congress that was under Rajiv Gandhi and Indira Gandhi. And we all know that, they were completely, Rajiv Gandhi and Indira Gandhi were completely against the idea of caste census. Rajiv Gandhi, in fact, accused the then Prime Minister VP Singh of trying to lead the country into caste wars with the Mandal Commission report. And he always maintained that, caste politics could harm and, break India.
Okay.
And to exactly quote Rajiv Gandhi, he said he was in the parliament and he said this in the parliament, that nobody in this house will say that removal of casteism is not part of the
Interesting
national
analysis.
goal.
You're saying there's an ideological difference between the old Congress and the new Congress. That's how you'd like to call it.
I would like to ask the Congress spokesperson, at least he should enlighten us that what has Rahul Gandhi seen in this caste census that Rajiv Gandhi and Indira Gandhi did not see. Like, enlighten us. We don't know what,
Okay, I have to wrap up, but very quickly I want to ask Siddharth Yadav. Siddharth Yadav, what is the BJP's official stand on caste census? One second. You may be hitting out at the Congress saying you're only politicizing the issue, but what is BJP's actual stand?
We have already clearly stated out our stand during the election campaign. Also, Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji on numerous occasions has said that whenever the time is right and the census is happening, we would conduct a caste census. Issue is not about that. The issue is what about the stand of Congress party when P. Chidambaram in the Lok Sabha house, on the floor of the house, had said if we release this data, it will have dangerous consequences. What is the stand of the Congress party?
But now the leader of opposition is Rahul Gandhi, and Rahul Gandhi has said on the floor of the house कि हम तो caste census करवा के रहेंगे. Let's see how things pan out. Thank you very much, Siddharth Yadav, Mithun Vijay Kumar, and Saif Khan for joining us on the broadcast.